So you're a thief?
No, I am not a thief.
Hold it!
I am not a thief.
Hold it! Move!
I am not a thief.
Move! Thief!
I don't know how this...
Move! Move!
How this got into my bag?
Yes, Your Highness, my daughter is not a thief.
Yes.
Your Highness, please, listen to them. I have known this woman and her daughter for long. And I believe they are not capable of doing such. They cannot steal your tusk.
Shh! Ibo Onyori. Ekperima. Will you give me my tusk?
We have a law in this kingdom that whosoever steals the king's staff of authority, he or she must be buried alive. I did not condemn you, but the law of the land. Take her to the chief priest, as I have.
My daughter, no. As you can see, today is a great day. Go and show us your husband. Aqua?
Hey.
Onye Bulebu.
Yeah.
Oh no, what is it?
Your Highness, something terrible has happened. Fire! Fire came down and consumed Mazi Njumiwo's daughter.
Hey!
Husband.
Hey!
Oh my very eyes!
Hey!
Fire! Huh? Yes!
Fire?
Right now, just now. Hey!
Maz, what is it?
My daughter. My daughter. What happened to
My
your daughter
daughter?
now? My daughter.
Hey! What is actually going on?
My daughter.
Hey, what is it?
My daughter.
What have we done?
My daughter.
This is too much.
Hey!
My daughter.
Ooh.
My daughter. My daughter.
Hey!
My daughter. My daughter. My daughter.
Hey!
Your Highness, what do we call what happened in Lady Chiogudele's compound? This is strange. How can fire come out from nowhere and kill two people that just got married? This is not ordinary at all.
My wife.
Your Highness.
I am speechless. And I will not say or do anything until I see there's a more. Go inside and sleep. It is late.
Yes, Your Highness.
It is unfortunate that Ifeoma's father is not alive today to witness this great marriage. Otherwise, he would have been the happiest man on earth today. Go, Ifeoma. Go and show us your husband. Gabanwam, go and show us your husband. Go.
How can the happiest day of my life end in sorrow, God of our life? Why me, oh? can this thing happen to me? How can this happen to me?
Exactly. So there's nothing we can do. Shall we buy the gold? Hey!
We are still basking from the euphoria of what happened at Ichiobudile's compound. Now it is Mazi Okeke and Mazi Juwin. Ezemo, what is happening? What is going on, Ezemo? Huh? Your Highness,
I've searched in the spirit for answers. But the truth is that I have not received any message from the gods. And I know wisdom is of the gods. They must have a reason for concealing the truth and the answer to this problem from us. And I know too well that I have not known the gods in any way. But do not worry. Do not worry, Your Highness. Sleep well.
Sleep well, Your Highness. How can a man whose house is on fire sleep well? How come?
Your Highness, did he bring any message from the gods?
The gods are silent.
Hey, what are you going to do, Your Highness?
Father, since the gods have decided to remain silent, what do we do?
Your Highness, I've heard you. And whenever there is a will, there is always a way. I need a male and female goat to perform a sacrifice that will put an end to all this.
Wise one, apart from the male and the female goat, do you need any other thing?
For the rest, I will provide.
Great one.
Escort them to the shrine and make sure they don't look back till they get there. Whatever spirit, whatever force, whatever power that is coming to take a man and a woman that have joined the marriage, come forth and take your sacrifice. sacrifice and remain silent forever. Over the host.
I've made up my mind to marry Nnamdi, and nobody will stop me.
And have you spoken to your parents about this?
Each time I raise the matter, they shut me down. But with or without them, I'll marry Nnamdi.
You are still young to be rushing into marriage. Look at me. I'm much older. Still, I will not rush into it, knowing what will happen to me and my husband.
That is for you. My mind is already made up.
If I were you, I would listen to the voice of reasoning.
Please, you people should let her be, please.
She has made up her mind and that is it. I just hope that nothing happens on that day. And we all know that some people are more lucky than others.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Please, let's go home.
They should say that they are paying.
Father, it is time we go and pay Ugochi's bride price.
Son, I know. But my fear is what happened to others not to happen to you. You are my only son. And I will not risk a thing like that.
But Okeke, after he cleansed the land, said that anyone can marry.
Let me remind you one thing. What an elder sees while on the ground, a child will not say it, even if he is on top of a mountain. Yes, he said so. He pronounced it from the words of his mouth that he has cleansed the land. But you will not be the first. I have spoken.
Igwe. Hameke Queen! Yeah! Hameke Queen! Yeah! Adilida has performed the sacrifice successfully. Today, on behalf of the king and the elders of Ameke Kingdom, I want to prove to you all that the sacrifice was successful. And that is why I am giving my daughter out in marriage. Ekema, my beautiful daughter, take this drink and show us your husband.
Let me beg you, God.
Oh. Do you rush it to take a drink? Oh.
Highness for you. Your Highness, the worst has happened. It has happened again. Tell me. The Cheobaka's daughter got to die. Fire consumed her and her husband. Again? Yeah. What is all this? Hey! I mean, what have we done? And what have we left undone?
Father, the situation has grown from bad to worse. It is becoming too much. Oh my God. Hey.
Your Highness, something went wrong somewhere. And that I must correct tonight. Tomorrow, assemble people to marry in my presence. So I will battle whatever force that will come to challenge I, Ajuja the Great.
Ajileja,
Your Highness.
are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, Your Highness.
Are you sure that it will work, Ajileja?
Yes, Your Highness.
It's okay. We will do that. Obi,
my morning food. Are you sure you're ready to do this with me?
My love.
Yes.
Wherever you go, I go. Wherever you die, I die with you. I love you so much.
Njideka! Njideka! I have warned you several times. I've warned you severally to stay away from my sister. Are we quarreling? Why are you behaving like this? This will be the last time I will hear you. What are you still doing? Come on, get inside the house! Are you still standing here?
Father, you said so.
Yes, sit down. Son.
Yes, Father.
This series of deaths is an indication that all is still not well in this kingdom. So please, forget about marriage for now. Do you understand me?
I also want to thank you. Because if not for you, I would have been dead by now.
Thank you very much, Father.
You're welcome. It's okay, you can go inside.
Silence! Everything is under control. You may proceed.
It is clear that Ajeleja is the greatest. He has succeeded in doing what none could do. 4 people are married as husbands and wives. The remaining will be married and nothing will happen to them. Their parents refuse to come because they think they will die. Little did they know that the gods of this land have shown us mercy. Go and show us your husband so that our joy will be complete. We tell them? What do we tell them? What do we tell them? What do we tell them? The parents of the children that refusing this marriage. Oh no! What do we tell them? Oh yeah! What is this? I thought it is one of us that I'm going to get married. My Lego! My Lego! I want to marry you. We will not marry again. I don't know. I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. I don't want to die. I want to marry you. I want to marry you. My leg. What will happen to us? What will happen to us? I don't know again. What will happen? We will not marry again. I don't do anything.
Your Highness, 8 people were consumed by fire. Your Highness, you must do something about this. And the earlier you do it, the better. Because very soon, the people will begin to see you as a weakling. This is
Hello.
This
abomination. Hey! Oh, give me! How many people? What do you name? 8! In one day! And we don't know what will happen next. Furthermore, I want answers. I want answers! Even if it will take you to the end of the earth to get one, do it and be very fast about it. Do it and get me one is the more. Hey!
What is going on? Does it mean that you ain't going to get married in this kingdom?
I am as worried as you are.
My sisters, when it first happened, I thought it was a curse from their families. Or both of them must have committed sacrilege. But when it happened again and again, I was thrown into confusion. The worst is, there is no solution. Gods of our land, you know that when a woman is mature, the next thing is marriage. And if it delays, her beauty withers. Please do not let this situation befall us. Please.
You say... Amoke the Great Dibia, your presence is highly needed in my kingdom. Nobody can believe that Otutunzu has no hand in this.
It is the fire that Otutunzu is known for. That same fire is the one killing our people.
Yes.
spirits of my fathers. I was not here when all this happened. Lead me! Lead me!
Ejikemowa, if you ask me, I think you should listen to your father. Any marriage without the blessing of the parents is not complete.
I do not need their blessing, Agoma. They forbid me from having my way with a woman before marriage. And now that I'm mature and the urge to be with a woman is growing in me every day, they want me to stop?
The dream of every parent is to see their son marry. Just that they don't want you to die. You know the situation of things in this kingdom. Please, I'm begging you, listen to the voice of reasoning.
My mind is made up, and that is it. And once I'm out of this kingdom, whatever it is that is killing people will not have effect on me.
Spirit that can see all things, speak to me. Omiri, Omiri Wari. Bremo, Bremo, Omiri Wari. 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 Many years ago,
good day.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're just coming back.
Yes, yes.
Welcome.
And how are your parents?
Everybody's fine. Welcome.
Okay.
I just want to clear the grasses for my mother.
Okay. No. No. Greetings to this household.
Oh, yeah, come. Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you. Is your mother at home?
No, she's not. But if there is any message, you can leave it with me. I will tell her when she comes back.
You see, actually, I came to see both of you.
I don't understand.
We are not quarreling, are we?
Of course not.
You should have offered me a seat.
Oh, I'm sorry. Please pardon my manners. Please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, what do I offer you?
Nothing. Why don't you have a seat?
Okay.
Olanma, I like you. You have all I want in a woman. And I'm here to ask for your hand in marriage.
Dike, you have good intentions. But I am betrothed to another.
I know of your relationship with Obinna. But both of you are not married yet. You see, the difference between I and Obinna is that I am ready for marriage, but he is not.
I will wait for him.
You will wait for him?
Yes, I will.
Okay. I will not give up. Tell your mother I will be back.
Okay.
Olanma, if you accept to marry me, the Igwe, his household, do you know all the elders of the land and the entire kingdom will be here present on the day I will pay your bride price. Think about it.
Agwenwoy.
Uzoka. Dalo. I am bittered, grieved and sad.
Now what is it? Ogini, did he fall?
All my efforts to make Olanma see that I love her has failed. It makes me want to go mad. I can't sleep. I can't sleep! How can she choose that pauper over a lion? It baffles me. Yes, it baffles me.
It takes the gods to change the heart of a woman when it's made up.
What are you saying? Are you saying that there's no way out?
No. What he's trying to say is that you should leave the woman alone and make the man an offer he cannot refuse. Yes.
My good friends, come. I have roasted milk. Come. Follow me. Come. Bless.
DK himself. DK.
I love you, friend.
You know I love palm wine.
Obinna, my great friend. Obinna, the son of Ogudile. You are a great man. Your greatness runs in your lineage, despite your present situation.
What do you want?
Why are you asking such question? We grew up together, remember? In all the days of our childhood, We never quarreled, nor fought. We are not best of friends, remember? Yet, we were not enemies.
You have not answered my question. What do you want from me?
Obinna, I overheard you begging Nana for a portion of land to farm on. I will give you 3 portions if you want. And the truth is that I do not like your present situation. You are not lazy. You are a hard-working young man that deserves more. As for your heart, I would rebuild it if you want. Obinna,
DK, tell me. I know all these you are saying are not for free. So tell me, what do you want in return?
The gods have blessed me with wealth and affluence. I am a happy man that needs just one thing to be complete.
Which is?
Obinna, you are the one stopping me from marrying Olanma. Leave her for me. Name whatever you want. Name it. And I'll give it to you.
Are you sure? Yes. Then give me your life.
My life? Yes. You know that is not possible. Name any other thing, anything, name it, I'll give it to you.
Olanma is my life. And the only way I will leave her for you is for you to give me your life.
I see. It is clear that you are so much in love with her. Take her. I wash my hands of her. May the gods. So my brothers, that was what happened. I think I just have to live with that which I cannot change.
DK.
Talk, I'm listening.
Tell me, do you want to let her go?
Of course. He's asking for that which I cannot give. With that, I think he's determined to keep her.
That will never happen. A butterfly can never be compared to a bird. A bird is a bird. A butterfly is a butterfly.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that you must marry Olanma. And if she refuses, no one else will. Yes. Yes! A stubborn grasshopper ends up in the gizzard of the fowl.
So be it.
Dike, you are the dream of every maiden in this kingdom. But had it been you came earlier than now, it would have been better.
Nay, I don't understand what you're saying.
My daughter and Obinna has gone too far. And it's either of them can put an end to this relationship.
No, it is not possible. You know it is not possible. I am in love with Obinna and he loves me too. So you should go and look for who to marry.
Now, it's only a portion of what is involved in marriage. Nay, please help me talk to her. Make her understand that there is more to this life than just love.
Okay.
I will be back in 2 days.
Even now?
Nne, don't mind him. Don't listen to all these things he said here. He thinks I'm one of those maidens he will deceive with marriage proposal. Please, leave him.
Just think over it.
Nne,
okay, just...
What do you want me to think about? There is nothing to think about.
What is this? Olanma has continued to turn me down. All my efforts to prove to her that I love her has failed. What is in that boy? What is in that idiot that is making her ignore my advances? What? Olanma, I must have you, no matter what it will take. I must.
Madam, is DK still coming to your place?
Yes, and what has that got to do with us?
I should be the one asking you the question.
Obin, DK is just playing around, and when he is tired, he will leave us alone. You, and only you, will make my heart skip. My heart beats for you. Do not be afraid that I will leave you. For if there is anyone that will make this relationship not to work, it's you.
No! Never! Hold on. You are all I have. Nothing, I mean nothing will make me leave you. I promise.
Are you sure?
Yes, I cross my heart.
Oh! Stop! Stop! I love you.
I love you.
DK!
What is it?
I thought Olanma must have left Obina by now.
And why do you ask?
Hi! We saw both of them playing around lovingly.
Yes. Olanma is very stubborn. But as they say, for every poison, there is an antidote. Don't worry. Soon she will be in my arms, screaming, DK, I love you. For you are the most handsome man ever.
Hey.
And I will look into her eyes and say, you are my word, my heart, my soul. For you and I are meant to be together. It's only death that can separate us.
He say, DK Wadu! DK where? Hey! Omega! The lion! DK! Hey! DK! DK! DK!
Have I told you?
What?
DK proposed to me.
DK?
Yes.
The great hunter?
Yes.
Good! What did you tell him?
Trust me. I turned him down.
Olanma, what is wrong with you? You turned Njideka down because of Obinna. What is wrong with you? Njideka that every lady in this kingdom is dying to have.
Good for them. But I, Olanma, I am taken.
The choice is yours.
Good. Thank God you know.
Lendeo.
How are you?
No, I'm not fine. But I can only be if you tell me Olanma has accepted to marry me.
Come, my son. Come and sit down first. Sit down. Njideka, I'm sorry. Olanma is not thinking the same. I've spoken to her. But all I said fell on deaf ears. I suggest you look elsewhere, won't you? Yes.
No. Why will you be saying this? Olanma is my life. It's Olanma I want or no other person. It's Olanma that I want.
Lendeo.
Deo Bina. Ne, did you notice? Olanma did not say a word of greetings to me.
Njideka, calm down.
Has he gotten to this?
Calm down. You sound like her.
Tell her I want to see her.
Olanma.
Nne. Nne. I was dishing Obinna's food before you called me. So if you don't mind, I will be inside.
Olanma!
Njideka cannot take this.
Njideka, just calm down. I say calm down. Oh? It's okay.
Okay. Now I've heard what you said. I'll think about it.
Please do.
Okay.
What is all this? Eh?
Olanma, how are you?
Njideka, what do you want from me?
Ne, can you do that you do there? Huh? You know what I've always wanted. You know why I'm here. I want you to be my wife. Huh?
Njideka, please, Biko, leave me alone. Eh? And I don't want Obinna to see you when he gets here. So please, leave. Biko, Rapwayaka, leave us alone.
Come again. How dare you? How dare you walk out on me? Do you know who I am? I am Njideka. All the youths in this kingdom tremble at my presence. Need I mention the animals in the forest? They take to their heels at the sound of my gun. How dare you? How dare you walk out on me?
Njideka, please, I am sorry. Biko, why alone? Biko, Wait, Obi. I lost my temper. I lost my temper, Pico. Oh, okay, wait, Obi.
Okay.
Let me get you a seat so you can sit. You know?
Okay. Kikoko is my name. I am Kikoko.
What? Olanma! Wait!
Dike! What is going on here? Leave me alone! Leave my word alone!
It's done. Good. Good. Both of you are friends indeed. Don't worry. I will reward you too, handsomely.
Are you still sleeping like this? Obi! Chimo! Obinna! Obinna! Obinna, wake up! This is a joke, stop it! Obinna! Obinna!
My daughter. It's okay. It's okay. Obinna is dead. And it is only the gods that know why they took him. You know, girl?
Ola, please. Stop crying. Listen to your mother. The gods give. And they also take. They know best. Please. Bikono.
My mind is telling me otherwise.
Obinna died in his sleep.
What am I hearing? gods of our land. Why will such act befall an innocent man? This world is a wicked world. This world is indeed wicked.
Olanma is okay. Take heart.
Sorry.
Ola, it's okay, it's okay.
I think Olanma has grieved enough. It is time she moves on with her life. I know she loved Obinna very much. But he's dead, and nothing can bring him back to life. I came to talk to you because I know you are the only person that can make her realize that the mourning period of Obinna was over a long time ago. No. Grief kills. Do not forget that Olanma is the only child you have.
Thank you, my son. I will continue.
I will be on my way.
Okay.
Catch you, both.
That's the
Olanma, I'm talking to you.
DK, what is it? What is it?
Olanma, I can feel your pain. Listen, I know how it feels for one to lose someone close to the heart. I am deeply sorry. You that I know can do anything to bring Obinna back. I know it's not possible. Olanma, I'm offering you my shoulders to lean on. I promise to take care of you. You and your mother will lack nothing, absolutely nothing.
DK, even if I decide to marry, that person is not...
Don't say that, please. Don't.
To tell you the truth, DK, the only thing you can marry is my cause. Yes.
Thank you very much, my love. You know I would do anything for you. Come here. Come.
What happened? I have been waiting.
I'm truly sorry for keeping you waiting. But there is something I need you to do for me.
What is it?
Do you know that the consequence of this is death?
Oh yes, I know. I know, and I am ready to do for you whatsoever you ask. Ask for anything and it shall be done.
Whatever I ask?
Oh yes, whatsoever you ask.
Marry me. Marry me.
Go. The mother of my unborn children. Is there any other thing you want me to do for you? Say it. And it shall be.
Consider it done.
Let me drop this thing at the backyard. I will come and see you first. It's like my mother is not at home.
I'm waiting.
It's okay. Hey.
Hurry, my mother will be waiting. Let me go.
Let me see you so that I can come and prepare food for my mother.
Thank you.
Grace into this household.
The king's tusk is missing, and we are searching every compound.
Tusk? It's okay. Search.
What? So you're a thief?
No, I am not a thief.
Hold it!
I am not a thief.
Hold it! Move!
I am not a thief.
Move!
I don't know how this works.
Move! Move!
Your Highness, I am not a thief. I did not steal your tusk. And I swear. I don't know how this got into my bag.
Yes, Your Highness, my daughter is not a thief.
Yes.
Your Highness, please listen to them. I have known this woman and her daughter for long, and I believe they are not capable of doing such. They cannot steal your tusk.
Shh! Ibu Onyori. Ekperima. Will you give me my tusk? You see? Have you seen it?
Oh.
Have you seen it?
Oh.
We have a law in this kingdom that whosoever steals the king's staff of authority, he or she must be buried alive. I did not condemn you, but the law of the land. Take her to the chief priest. As I have spoken, so shall it be done.
You think it's progress. You don't know it's not progress.
You are the eyes of the gods. And there is no way you would not have seen my innocence. I am innocent.
Quiet! One.
Akum the Great.
DK.
I thank you very much. At least now I can pat my shoulder for a job well done.
DK, I cannot refuse you anything. I owe your late father a lot. I cannot.
The greatest of my fathers, I run to you because there's no other. My husband's people did not believe me when I told them that my daughter was innocent and her sister did not die a natural death. Arise and prove to them that spirits can never lie. Spirit can never lie! Oh, God of our where are you?
Olanma. 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 Hey! Hey! The ghost of Alado, where are you? Where is my daughter Olanma? Olanma! Olanma! Where are you? Olanma! Your mother is calling you, Olanma! Emma! Hey! Oh, there is my daughter! Olanma, where are you? Olanma, your mother is calling you, Olanma! Oh! Olanma!
What's that? What are you doing?
Hey!
And it is that same fire that's killing people.
Yes. When this fire started killing people that were involved in the act, we sought for help. And we were told that it was the great Otutuzu the mother went to. We went to the deity and appeased the deity. Later, it started again. We went back and we were told that it has nothing to do with the deity. So that's exactly the confusion. That's the confusion.
Spirits that can reveal all things. Speak to me. As they were burying her, she said something.
Evil child. Evil child!
Avenge my death. This land will never see love. No marriage.
Wise one, please, how do we end all this? How?
A journey will be embarked on by the youths of this land into the evil forest to get the bone of Ishakba. The bone will be used to remove the curse that was placed upon the land by the maiden.
Hey! No one will dare enter the evil forest. No one.
Seek and the gods will show you the way. Knock on the door of the gods, and they shall open. For I see volunteers.
We killed an innocent child.
Hey! May the gods forgive us.
My love, I knew you would not disappoint me.
Drink! I promise you, husband and wife! Drink!
No. What is all this?
Boswell, stop! Stop! Men do not cry!
If you had seen what I saw, by now you would have been shedding blood. It's all my fault.
It is not your fault. It is not your fault.
I should have allowed her continue in the direction she was running.
Boswell, listen. Listen to me. This is no time for lamentation. What we should be thinking of is the way out. Yes!
I think Njideka is right. From the look of things, the situation has grown from bad to worse. What we should be concerned about is solutions. Solutions.
What else can we do? What else can we do? Something that is beyond Ajilija the Great Dibia.
It may be greater than Ajilija the Great Dibia. But don't forget that the protection of the young chicks lies on the wings of the mother hen. And the visit of the masquerade, they said, is never without a message from the gods. As long as the gods live, there will still be solutions. Just quit the lamentations and be a man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ebubinaya, we cannot just fold our arms and watch the youth of this land perish for something that we do not know anything about. Time is no longer on our side. The earlier we do something about it, the better for us.
But you have to understand something. What do we expect our king and the elders to do? They have done their best. All we need to do is to wait on the gods.
Oh yes, I know. I know we have to wait on the gods. But still, we will not fold our arms. We have to do something.
What then do we do that our fathers have not done? They have done their best.
And their best is not good enough. Oh yes, it's not good enough. We have to take the bull by the horn. We must do something. We must.
I understand. But what do you suggest we do?
If you ask me, I'll suggest that we...
I assembled you all, for the future of this kingdom lies on your shoulders. Okeke, the great Dibia, revealed that the cause of incessant death during marriages is as a result of the death of an innocent maiden who was buried alive in the evil forest. And her remains must be brought back to this kingdom so that it can be used to atone for her death. There should be a journey in the evil forest, and it must be embarked on by the youths of this land. Okeke, the great Dibia, did not ask us to appoint. He said people should volunteer.
I volunteer.
Youths of Amoke, the events of the past few years has neither been seen nor heard in the history of this land. We must do something. We must do something, else we all will perish. Let us go. Let us go and restore peace to this land.
I volunteer.
I do.
My children, since you all have volunteered to redeem this kingdom from the bondage of death, your names must be immortalized. And you all must be greatly rewarded.
My son, I am proud of you. Since you have decided to make our family proud, the gods of our ancestors will lead you.
Say,
You shall go and return and marry, and I will call your first son Omekaina.
thank you, Papa.
Go well, my son. Go well. The spirit of our ancestors will lead you.
Achu, go well. Udoka, I know you will not wish me well.
Adako,
hold it. In your heart, you want me to go into the evil forest and die so that you can take my man. But the gods will disappoint you. I am going to go into the evil forest and come back alive and marry my man. Judy is my husband. and I, his wife.
I have nothing with Jude.
If I were you, I'd rather concentrate on the journey. Farewell. Keep your greetings. I don't need it.
Are you sure you want to do this? I am a woman. What is a woman without a husband? Nothing. I will be fine. Just pray for the God to protect me, and I will return.
Nandeo.
Ebube, are you going to?
No. When something bigger than the cricket enters the cricket hole, it's either stand and fight or run away. My only regret is that I don't have anyone to cry for. But I know if we return, the gods willing, I will get married and live with my wife happily. Udoku, let's go.
Let's go. May the gods be with you.
Udemba, stop here and go back. Go and console our parents. I know they are still crying.
Come on, my sister. May the gods be with you.
Noma, come back here. Noma, I said, come back here. Noma. Mama, come back here. Noma. Noma, you are not going anywhere.
You can go to the king and tell him that. I am your mother, and since your father is no more, I have every right to refute whatever you say in public.
Mother, please. Mother, please allow me to go. I know you would not like what befell my sister to befall me. You see me as a child today, but soon I will become a woman.
Mother, this is not just for our family, but for the entire kingdom. Mother, please.
Mother, please, I beg you. Please, Mother, allow me to go, Mother, please. Mother, don't worry. I will go and return. Please allow me to go, please. Mother, please, please.
Alright. May the gods protect you and bring you safely. Go well, my child.
Take care of mother. Don't cry. I'll come back. Yeah? No, ma, please. No, ma, please.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà lọ́gọ́lọ́gọ́ ní ẹjọ́ ọgbọ́ ọ̀tọ̀ pọ́pọ́. Lọ́gbọ́n nkịtị na-eme na nkịtị na-ezo ka izu dara sotu ngịga. The destiny of this kingdom lies on your shoulders. You are returned from this journey. We heal this land of its calamities. Do not be carried away. For you all will be tempted. For every foundation must be tested. Remain steadfast. And do not forget that united you stand and divided you fall. God of our ancestors, come down! Come and prepare your children for this great task. For I am just a mere mortal. Come down! Come! Regina, step forward. You will lead this group. Get this. This will guide you. Now, go. May the gods of our ancestors lead you on. Go. Nkịtị na-eme na nkịtị na-ezo ka eru na tọtụọ ngịga mgbakara ya ma ọzọ ya ana kama ọ na-aga ringom ringom. Ogidi gara na ọgbụgbọ agagharị enu.
I do not like Ujuma. And for the fact that she's leading us disgusts me.
Me too. What do you think of Ujuma?
She's an idiot. I wonder why the gods even chose to lead us in the first place. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man.
Choose your next choice of words carefully.
Be careful.
Your decision to run away with Njideka is very unhealthy. So I'm advising you to withdraw from it now. Because the gods of vengeance will visit the both of you wherever you may run to.
Ike, this is the reason I don't disclose vital issues to you. You're a very weak human being.
And you call running away from the problems of this kingdom bravery? A problem we should all put our heads together to fix? You know how many people died trying to do what you're about to do? You know how many intending couples got consumed by that mysterious fire?
Go! You're a weakling. I've already made my decisions, and my decision is final.
Calm down, Amizu. You are my brother, and I do not want you to die. I want you to take this advice as one coming from a brother.
Enough! Enough!
That mysterious fire!
Enough!
Take
enough
advice.
You're a weak human being. I don't have anything. You're a weakling.
Obi, you know I love you, and I cannot live without you. That is why I made plans for us to leave this kingdom, go to a very far place where we'll settle down and have children there.
Obi, I am afraid discussing this marriage issue with you, regardless of the love I have for you. You know what is happening in this kingdom.
Yes, I know. That is why I want us to leave this kingdom and go to a far place where we can settle down and have children.
If going to a far place will keep us safe, then I agree.
Yes. I met with some seers and they told us that living this kingdom is safe, will not be affected. So I want you to get your things ready. First thing tomorrow morning, we are leaving.
This is a good idea. Let me go home and get myself ready.
Ike, why is your face like this?
It's Amizu.
What happened to him?
We're about to lose another young man and a maiden from this kingdom.
I don't understand.
Amizu is planning to run away with Njideka.
What?
To continue with the marriage plans.
What?
Exactly what I told them. I did all I could to persuade him to discourage him.
They will die. Why on earth will Amizu do that kind of thing?
I was actually expecting that he would wait until the youths come back from the adventure, at least until when the land is cleansed. Then we can now know how to carry on with plans. But Amizu refused. He refused though. Instead, Amizu called me Ike, a weakling.
Hey!
He called me
Amizu.
I don't know what we are going to do about this, and yes, I think you can help. Yes, you can help us. You can tell it to the whole kingdom. I mean, spread the news to the whole kingdom so that they can help us stop them. They can help us, because as for me, I have said my own. I have said my own. Oh,
hi, Amizu. Why would Amizu do that kind of thing?
Njideka, where are you going to? With this man? I am leaving this kingdom. I am going to a far place with Amizu, where we can settle as a couple and have children so that we are not affected by the fire that is consuming couples.
Did you think very well before engaging yourself in such a journey?
It's not a risky journey.
Then I'm afraid the vengeance of Olanma might follow you wherever you run.
But Jacob, you are talking out of fear. I must be on my way now. Nizu will be waiting for me. Thank you.
Amizu, ati na ọkpara okpoko gburu ntị chiri ya. Edikwa na anyị mkpa. You are very important to us. Why can't you wait until those that went to the evil forest comes back? After the cleansing, you can go ahead and marry Nneka.
Dear, Njideka, I can see you don't have any serious issue to tell to me about. Let this be the first and the last you will ever stop me to say this rubbish. I have made up my mind and my decision is final.
My brother.
Cut off. Who is your brother? Cut off.
Hey. Hey.
You're here already?
Yeah, can we go now?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too.
What do you think about Ujunwa's leadership?
Did you not see the way she embarrassed me a while ago? If I have my way, I will squeeze out my veins.
I hate her.
We are the same people.
What is the matter? Ujunwa, whatever we are discussing is none of your concern. Adaku, will you shut up?
Adaku, that is wrong.
Njideka. But the fact that a child is not tall enough to see above his father's compound does not mean there are no other compound beside his father's. I will suggest you put your tongue where it belongs. I have every right to discuss with whosoever I please.
Ebube, I blame the gods, but the ego now wanna dine with the vultures.
Do not forget I never liked you. But I let go because of this journey. Please, let peace reign.
Stop! I said stop! Stop! What has come over you? Eh? What is it? I believe that whatever we are discussing here should be in the interest of us all. Stop! Stop it! We are not why we are here. Let's go.
Let's go.
I will come to your house this evening. Yes. Tonight. It has to stop.
Yes.
Eh? Hey, what is after you? Come on, talk to me. What is after you?
Amizu and Nneka are dead.
Dead! What killed them?
Fire consumed them.
Fire! Hey! Fire again! Hey! Fire! I said it, bro. I said it, but they wouldn't listen. I said it. Hey! I'm running again.
Fire! Nneka and Amizu. Fire consumed them.
Hey!
Fire!
I said it, but they wouldn't listen. I just said it. I said it. Let's run home. God of Allah.
What is after you both? Nneka and Amizu are dead. What killed them? They were consumed by fire. So after the advice given to them, they still went ahead with the marriage proposal. Nneka, oh. We rest here.
Oh, chicken-hearted leader.
Ebube! What was the meaning of that?
Quiet! Little baby. Look how our leader was screaming like a child. Simply because I taught you with this. What would be your reaction when you're face to face with the demons?
The chief priest did not teach our leader to master her fears. But unfortunately, my little friend, we are in the evil forest, the den of fears, where evil looms.
Are you questioning the gods?
Njideka! We are small gods, so we are gods.
Watch what you say! Now then!
Oh, I like that. I like the strength. The strength of a leader.
I just hope that their strength and courage will continue to grow. And you, Norma, you are the youngest among us. Let me tell you something, I detest your gods. You are like a child who don't know the importance of herbal medicine. You were there to call it an ordinary vegetable.
Enough! Ebube! We shall see. We shall see if the lesion of the war is faster than the venom of a snake.
It's only my ignorance that makes the cat there to challenge an elephant for a wrestling contest.
No! I want it! No! I want it! I want it! No! No! I want it! No! I want it! No! Where do you think you're going to?
Bring her back. I told you. This is just the beginning.
Ebube!
I can no longer sleep.
Your Highness, fear not. Fear not, Your Highness. There's a great difference between Ajirija and Amuke. And that difference you will see when they used and went to evil forest. Return. Your Highness, let us wait on the gods. Go home.
Stop that! Stop that!
Father,
I want to...
You want to ask me if the people that went to the evil forest have returned?
Yes, Father.
They have not returned.
This is serious.
Have I not answered your question? Go back to your chamber.
Yes,
Father. Isikote, my good friend. I have come to find out why you didn't go with the rest of the youth to the blue forest. I mean, I'm surprised. Because we all know you to be a very strong young man in this kingdom. Yeah, they are even supposed to be back. They're supposed to be back, but we do not know what is going on right now because we've not heard or seen them. We've not heard anything from them. So I have come to find out from you. Please, talk to me, great warrior of our kingdom.
Ike, it is unfortunate I have nothing to disclose to you or anybody in this kingdom. For I have unsettled matter with this kingdom at large. Therefore, go home.
But what kind of unsettled matter can you possibly have with a kingdom that will deprive you from confiding in your best friend? What? I don't understand.
Ikem, go home and relax your mind. Then we return with the bones. Okay?
Ezioyim, I am your best friend. I need you to really tell me because I am scared. I'm afraid. So please, confide in me. Please.
I said go home and rest. Then we'll return with the poles. Okay?
Okay. Mr. Badro.
God has said. Mama, what is it? Who is that? It's not that stupid Okoro. Coming here to look for you. May the gods forbid. Me, Okoro, but I've warned him to stop following me around in this kingdom. You better go and warn him. Go and warn him. You better go and warn him very, very well now.
For how long are we going to wait for the people that went into the evil forest in search of Olanma's bones? I believe they are still in search of it, and when they found it, they will return. They should be fast about it, for our maidens and our young men are getting older. I believe that the gods of our land will help us. I believe so. Yes.
Let's go. My sister, do you know that Okoro proposed to me? And he's coming to pay my bride price very soon. Hey! Is it not the same Okoro I saw that was chased with machete because he went to propose to another maiden in this kingdom? My Okoro? Yes, your Okoro. No, I don't believe you. My friend, I would advise you to please wait for the people that went in search of Olanma's bone to return. Please, my friend. Or do you want to incur Olanma's wrath? No.
My sister is right. We love you. You are important to us. Just wait for the gods.
Okay, I'll think about it. Imagine, she's even walking out on me.
Who knows what is happening to my brother in that forest, if he's still alive or dead. My sister, calm down. With the assurance given to us, your brother will return back safely. I believe the gods will do it. Just calm down, oh? Inugo? Don't worry.
Your Highness. Elders of the land, you are welcome.
Igwe.
Stop that! Will you stop that? Now get out of this place. Get out, all of you!
Get out, all of you!
Your Highness, shall we continue to wait for them? They have already stayed for too long.
Yes. Ezemo told me to believe in the gods. We will wait. Go home and tell the people to fear not, for they shall return.
Ngozi, I want to get married to Okoro. What's funny about it? What's funny about it?
Sorry, my friend. Okoro, what happened to the young man you told me about?
I changed my mind. It's Okoro that I want to get married to.
This thing is getting serious, so. Is it not the same Okoro that is into a relationship with a maiden in this kingdom? As a matter of fact, I heard that he was chased with a machete, still because of this maiden. And you want to get married to him?
It's Okoro that I want to get married to.
She has even made that decision already. Eh? Okay. I'm always here for you as a friend, Ngozi. If you must get married to Okoro, you have to hold on for the people that went to the forest to return. Thanks to the gods to know what's happening in this kingdom.
Sorry to disappoint you. It's Okoro that I'm getting married to.
Come on, Ngozi. Disappoint.
Is she mad?
Anakwala.
See, you should stay here. Let me go and look for others, okay? I'll be right back.
Yeah. Be careful.
Okay.
My spirit will haunt you! My spirit will haunt you! My spirit will haunt you!
Let me talk
How are you? Don't tell me you're still thinking about Obina.
My friend, I'm confused. This one is the one who's telling me that it's my faith that I will bring him back. Does that mean you'll be nice?
Don't say that. Obina is fine. Obi is okay. He's the one who said it's your belief that will bring him back because she believes in the strength of your love. So tell me, what's your mind telling you? Is your mind telling you that Obi is dead or still alive?
Yeah, because Obi.
Yes.
Obina is still alive.
Yes. I like that spirit. Now you're talking. Before the gods will forbid it, you first of all believe in it. Now let's talk about how to go fetch firewood.
I still have some at home.
Are you trying to tell me I'm going to that forest alone?
Yeah, I will accompany
you. This is Ejikeme, the son of Mazin Gadi, the farmer. I brought him here for you to see as my husband. He wants to pay my dowry soon.
Ijoma! Ijoma!
Mama, what is it? What is it?
Hey, Ijoma! You want to clear the rot of Olanma on your head? Before the youth that went to the forest to get her bone will be back. Ijoma! Ijoma, what's wrong with you?
Mama, there's nothing wrong. Mama, there's nothing wrong with me. Nothing.
Are you Ejike? You are from this kingdom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mama. You are from this kingdom? Oh. Mama! Chukwu Okeke azọ gị. Chukwu abịa azọ gị. Aka m ijiri mma wee fapụ gị isi. Ijeọma. Unu bụ masị na-achọ onye ga-alapụta.
Calm down, my dear. Your mother was right. And you know she won't allow you fall into danger.
Yes, I know. She was right, but you know I love you so much. And it's you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You are right. But we have to wait for the people that went in search of Olanma's bone to return. So that we will not be burned like other people that doubted.
So you believe that?
Ije, the right thing is supposed to be done at the right time. You are mine and mine forever. And nothing is going to separate us.
You promise?
I promise. No. Wait, have you forgotten? Just go home until the right time. Okay? Bye.
Have you not been noticing what is going on in this kingdom? Or don't you have ears? Ishama, my sister, the wrath of Olanma is going around the kingdom looking for who to victimize. Or do you want to be burnt? No. Then calm down. Ejike is not driving to anywhere. Neither you. Calm down until the people that went to forest returns. I don't know what to say again.
You do not have to be seen anywhere close to me. Or do you want to die?
Okay. Is it a taboo to love you?
No. But you are aware of what is happening in this kingdom.
Yes, I'm aware. That is why I came to tell you they are already on the way.
Go home, Amuche, until they return and the cleansing is done. Then we'll proceed.
I'm afraid I could lose you.
No. The gods will protect both of us. Until the cleansing is done, we'll proceed.
You mean I should...
No. Don't come close to me. See, Amuche, go home. After the cleansing, I will come and pay your dowry.
Obim.
Stop pointing that thing! For it's obvious you know nothing about the spirit. It is this same pointing that brought us to this place. Is it not possible that your father bribed the chief priest? Because no sane man would prefer a woman over a man.
Ebube, please. There is no need for all this. Ebube, there is no need for all this. All we need to do is to be united in order to succeed in this mission. United we stand. Divided we fall.
Ebube, please listen to Njideka. Please.
Oh, you're begging me now. I like that. I like you. You see, I like you because sometimes you tend to be reasonable. I like that. I like the sweet smell of victory. Now, give me the symbol that would make me the leader of this group.
You know, that is not us. Then thou shalt be no peace.
Njideka. Njideka. You once told me that you don't like me. The sight of you makes me want to kill you. The battle line has been drawn. If our path ever crosses again, Njideka heads will roll.
He will be. Do not beat the war drum where you're not ready for war.
He that wants to dance the dance of the spirit must first learn how to hum the song of the deaf.
Then I shall cut you into pieces and spread your carcass on my wall! Ebube!
Adele, fire! What is it?
Fire!
Huh?
Fire!
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 Where is it? Fire! What is it? Fire! Where is it? Fire! Follow me! Follow me!
Okay. Wait. Who is running after you? Fire! Fire what? Fire what now? Talk to me. Onaka and Uchechi. Talk to me now. What about Onaka and Uchechi? Now the tree. Looking in marriage proposal. And fire from nowhere to stand on them. And consume them. Fire! I heard that fire consumed Odinaka and Uchechi today. My sister, that was what happened. I did my best. I advised Uchechi, but she wouldn't listen. Look at what she has gotten herself into. My brother said he warned Odinaka about it. Now look at what happened. What's best for us now is to go home, sit down patiently, and wait for those that has gone to the forest to return. That reminds me. My brother said those that went to the forest will soon be back. Hey! Are you sure of what you just said? According to him, the oracle broke the news at the palace today. May the gods of our land be praised. This is good news. Okay. I have to be on my way. Alright.
We hear news of their return. But no one has seen or heard any word from them. I am scared. I'm scared.
Ikem, do not be scared of anybody. Have it in mind that they will not all return, but they will return with the bones.
All of them will not return, you mean? You say to my face boldly that all of them will not return?
Yes!
Ah! Sikote!
But this was the same reason. This is the same reason I begged you. I begged you, Isikote. I begged you. I begged you to go with them in the forest. But you refused.
Oh! Ikem. A man does not go to war leaving spirits of war behind. Moreover, it is too late to cry when the head...
Hey! Too late. Too late. You're even saying it's too late. This is not good at all. This is not good.
If we succeed in this quest, whatever the king would give as a reward would be shared amongst us. And ours would be very, very small. Very, very small.
So, are you suggesting we should help the evil spirits reduce the number to just the two of us?
Oh, I love wise people. Exactly. The king will have no choice but to share it among two of us. I love wise people.
These people are not yet back.
Yeah, I cannot explain what is happening in this kingdom.
See, I don't think my friend can make it. Think. I'm the one
Oh God, I'm so worried about her. Hey, I asked her not to go.
You all are still awake by this time of the night. What is the problem?
We are worried about the people that went to the evil forest.
What will happen to this kingdom if they don't come back alive?
Shh! Don't say anything like that. The gods will surely bring them back.
Yes, the gods will bring them back.
It is late already. Let's go and sleep. Let's go.
Njideka, Ebube was right. It is my fault that Udoku and Angolika died. I should have told the chief priest that I have never led before. I am not a leader.
Are you blaming the gods for making you a leader?
It is possible that the chief priest made a mistake.
Stop! Stop, Ujunwa! Whatever the gods do, they have their reasons. And I beg of you to start believing in the gods. For without them, we are nothing.
I believe in the gods. Else I would not be here.
Ujunwa, there is a difference believing that the gods exist and trusting in them. Ujunwa, stand up. Lead. Let us go.
is ready. Now that Agunwa and Adako are out of the way, we will gradually look for others, especially Ujunwa, and collect the Odwayan Nono from her. Because without that, we will not see the bone.
Yes. And that means Njideka will be the next to die.
As for Njideka, my only regret is not killing him that very moment we were arguing. But I will make him understand that once the drummer changes his pattern of drumming, the dancer will change his pattern of dancing.
Obim, when are you coming to pay my dowry?
I have told you time without number. You should stop talking about this marriage issue until those that went to the evil forest comes back. Or do you want to incur the wrath of the gods?
Obim, you and I know we are not destined to die prematurely. I strongly believe that if we go ahead with our marriage plans, we will not die, Obim. We will not die.
I have warned you, and I will not warn you again. I don't want to die. But if you insist that you want to die, you can go ahead and kill yourself.
Isikote, the last time we had a discussion, you asked me to calm down. But how can I possibly calm down when my kingdom is on fire? People get roasted by the second and you expect me to calm down? Well, I have come this time around, determined to find out exactly why you refused to go with the rest of the youths to the evil forest.
Ikem, I have told you to calm down and forget this matter once and for all. Okay? Calm down.
Save your friend from this trauma. I am scared. I even heard. I heard that all is not well with them in the forest. We do not know the kind of battle they are going through with the evil spirits in the forest. Please, I need you to join them.
No. No. I cannot join them because it is too late. Yes. So go home and rest.
Too late, you said? Too late?
Fire! 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 What's happening? Fire from where?
Fire!
Fire from where? What? Fire! What's happening? Fire from where? Who is firing you? Fire! Somebody talk to me. Fire from where? Who is the firing? Who is what's happening?
Okoro Ninjedo. I saw Okoro Ninjedo consumed by fire. At the road.
Is it the
Ninjedo that you know?
Cool. Action!
No! Let me fall. Fire from where? Fire has consumed two of them. Who says I'm Njideka? Who says I'm Njideka? Hey! Come!
You are still screaming. Oh, you're moving.
I will let them feed on you. I will leave you at their mercy. Let's go. Wait! Let him run. He can run to the end of the earth. That we will steal. This way!
Abule, my friend, you have to stop mourning Obi now. He will be fine. Remember, he went there for our own good. He did not go there alone.
I know, but whenever I see him in my dream, he avoids touching me. Does that not signify death?
Mishonogi, how will you say that? Do you wish him dead?
You know I cannot, but I'm feeling it.
Don't worry, he will be fine, okay? Okay, this is what I'll do. We'll go and see the other one together. At least you can know his fate in that forest.
Thank you very much, my dear friend.
So can you at least smile for me now? Good girl, and stop frowning your face. I don't like that mood of yours.
Okay.
So tell me, what happened at the market square yesterday?
So many things happened.
Move. Now. When you get to the underworld, I want you to tell your forefathers, I am Umena, the only son of Otuno! I am Umena the Burago!
Father. Father. Father.
What is it?
Father, it is late. I beg you to go and sleep.
How can I sleep when the youths of this land that went into the evil forest are not back yet? Son, I cannot sleep, and I want to be left alone.
It's all right, Father.
Elsewhere? He's around. I can feel it. He's around here with me. Look around this way. Alright. We will both emerge victorious. We will return to the kingdom. How would it feel, Oswe? To be immortalized. Oswe, look around. I can sense victory. Victory! Look around, Oswe. Look around. Oswe, this is our time to emerge victorious. Look around, Oswe. Look around. Look around. I swear. Dead man. I am Ebubo Dabulago. Where are you? Show yourself. Show yourself. I am Ebubadabulago, the only son of Achu. I emerge victorious. It is my destiny to return with that which is required of us. Ah. Precious. Yes, the bone of Ishakba. My precious. My precious. You are so special. And it is the special one that found you. The chosen one. The chosen one. My precious. I, Ebubadabulago, will go back as the greatest man of my time. Greater than the king and his weak son. And in the day of my marriage, the entire kingdom will bow before me. I am the greatest, greater than the gods!
Your Highness. Your Highness, I'm worried. The youth that went to the evil forest have stayed for too long. Are you sure they will return?
Obi, at this time, I have left everything to fate. All I do is to take what I see as each day comes and goes. Go inside. I want to be left alone.
But my husband...
Please, let me be.
Your Highness.
The people that embarked on the adventure into the forest will soon be back.
How? Who told you?
My father said so after their cabinet meeting with the Igwe. He said that the oracle assured them.
the gods.
Name guess. What? Can't you guess?
You know I'm not good at guessing. What is it?
I heard that the people that went into the evil forest will soon be back.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Who said so?
Izundu, the son of Ichie Madoka, according to his father, the oracle said so at the Igwe Palace.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
If so, may the gods be praised.
Thanks, gods.
Me, I'm so happy too. At least we'll start getting married now.
Yes.
Maybe I'll be the number one to get married.
There is good news. Good news. How? The people that went into the evil forest in search of Olanma's bone will soon be back.
How do you know? Chukwebuka, the son of Ishe Oima, his father told him after the palace meeting today.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. I'm very, very sure.
At least the youth of this kingdom will finally get married without any disaster.
He say. Now, Okoro can now come and pay my dad.
Until they return and perform the final cleansing. Okay?
Okay. Let's go.
Ike, this one you are happy today.
I am so happy. You need to be me to be able to experience this joy that I feel in my heart. In fact, I have never been this happy in my entire life. I'm so happy.
What happened, Ike?
The youths of our kingdom that went in search of Olanma's remains will soon be back.
Ike, I thought they said whomever goes to the evil forest does not return.
Not this time. Not this time. The youths of our kingdom were fully fortified. Fortified by the gods. So this time around, they will soon be back. And finally, the storm will be over. We can now sleep with both eyes closed in peace. Absolute peace.
Are you sure?
You know me. You know me, Ike. I do not say anything that I'm not sure of. I don't. As a matter of fact, the oracle was at the palace. He was at the palace to deliver the message. So he delivered the message, so I'm very, very sure they will soon be back. What I expect you to do now is to be happy. Not folding your arms. Be happy.
Hey, Ike, if this thing you're saying is the truth, may the gods be praised.
Gods are wise. May they be praised.
Ogechi, I brought good news for you today.
What good news are you talking about?
Hey, Ogechi, the oracle just broke a news today at the palace.
You're getting me more confused.
He said that the people that went in search of the bones will soon return. That means your brother will return safely and in a good condition.
Thanks to the gods.
So more no more, my friend. He will be safe.
So let's go.
Nona, my dear, I will soon get married to my own Njideka.
You get married when the people that went to the evil forest have not yet returned.
They have gotten what they are looking for, just for them to return. So I think we are now free to get married.
It is too early for you to start talking about marriage, Joe. I will advise you wait till they return with the bones.
You are the one talking about waiting for them. Njideka and I have concluded plans.
I will advise you think before going into any action. Okay, think about what I'm saying now.
There's no need to cry again.
Why?
There is hope for the people that went to the forest in search of Olanma's bone.
Who said it?
Ego, Eko, my friend, told me, you know that her father is among the king's cabinet. According to her, she said that the oracle said it to them at the palace.
Hey! May the gods be praised.
He say,
hey! You know I don't want to lose my daughter.
I don't want to lose my sister.
Hey! Oh! I'm so happy. Hey, are you sure?
Yes, Mama. It was Izundo that told me that he saw them on their way to the palace with the bones.
Hey! May the gods be praised. Do you see my daughter?
No. It was Izundo that told me that he saw them on their way. So I decided to come and break the good news to you.
Hey! Oh yeah, you and your sister go to the palace and copy your sister back home. Go! Oh!
Igwe, Oda, she's back. Oda, where are the rest? Where is the bone? Gods of our ancestors. Elisa, you can go and summon the elders of the land. And there's a more. Now! Oh, gods of our ancestors, I thank you.
Mama, stop crying. Mama, stop crying. Stop doing this to yourself. My sister will come back alive. She will come back. Stop crying.
Mama, you have to stop crying, no. You have to stop crying. I don't know if you continue crying, what do you want us to do?
Hey. Are you sure my daughter is still alive?
Mama, the gods that sent her, they will definitely bring her back. So stop crying.
Oh!
Mama, stop saying
I will go there.
Mama, you are not going anywhere.
I must go there.
You are not going anywhere.
Hey,
she will come back. She will come back. She will come back and meet us here. She will come back.
Leave me. Let me go there. I will go there.
We have brought that which you required of us to be used in appeasing the spirit of the maiden whose blood was shed for nothing. Come and help us remove this curse, for it's too much to bear. Now, drink and give it to your husband. For today, both of you are joined in marriage. Come back.
Rejoice!